Hello everyone, friends. My name is Matvey. I'm the director of GLOBUS Elite Furniture from China. I think you'll agree that bathroom design is very important to each of us. It's crucial to create a space where it's pleasant to be. In this video, we will offer you a solution from a leading Chinese factory specializing in bathroom fixtures and furniture. Premium materials, unique and striking designs that have even won over Italy. These are sure to leave no one indifferent. In this video, we'll show you the most impressive models and interesting designs. And be sure to watch this video until the end. At the end, we'll show you a model that was featured at the 2024 Milan exhibition and received an award. So give us a like and let's get started. This factory has been on the market for over 20 years. Its main focus is the production of bathroom furniture, and here's a very important detail. They don't make copies of other brands, they create their own brands and their own designs. The company's staff includes both Italian and Chinese designers, and as a result of this collaboration, you get these beautiful models you see on the screen. In addition, the factory exhibited at the Milan Fair in 2024. A lot of products were presented there, including one of their bathroom designs, which won an award at the exhibition. We will show this a little later. If creating a truly unique design is important to you and you don't want to use copies or replicas of other brands, then you should definitely pay close attention to this factory, a very worthy candidate for your bathroom. The factory offers comprehensive solutions for bathrooms. Let's start with this beautiful space. The wall is decorated with decorative panels and suspended units, tubes. The frame is made of an aluminum alloy onto which panels of dark walnut and marble are mounted, following the principle of rimadesio panels. There is also the option to integrate additional shelves by installing them into the grooves between the panels. All wooden elements are dried in a drying chamber to a specific level, then coated with multiple layers of water-repellent varnish. As a result, you don't have to worry about anything happening to your wooden panels or the wood rotting. This will serve you for a very long time, so you definitely don't need to worry about that. I can also show you how the design is done here. For example, behind the mirror, the shelf has built-in lighting inside. It's all done very beautifully. Personally, I really like this solution. I also liked how the outlets are integrated into the side panel here. They're built in very neatly, so you can charge your gadgets or plug in a hairdryer, and so on. Pay attention to this shelf. It creates a sort of floating effect. It's made from natural stone, and you can place soap, jewelry, or basically anything you want here. For fans of rimadesio systems, here we're showing exactly these shelves. And by the way, if you like the rimadesio system, we recently filmed a very interesting video. Please check it out. I think you'll be absolutely delighted. Thanks to systems like these, you can transform the space and change the design. And you can place very heavy items on these shelves. They can support a lot of weight. I really like solutions like this. If you like it too, please give it a thumbs up. Overall, I liked everything here. I studied everything carefully. The quality is very good. Here we have a luxurious wall-mounted cabinet where the whole effect is created by the right lighting. The materials used. On top, we have a countertop made of natural Pandora marble, which is illuminated from within. Refined aluminum profiles, textured glass. Inside, there is lighting that gives a certain depth when you look at it. Also, if we're talking about faucets, here there's one installed in rose gold. But I want to tell you right away that you can replace them with others. There are a lot of faucets from this manufacturer, so if you don't like this color, don't worry, you can change it. In addition, this vanity is about 2 meters long. If you need it longer or shorter, this parameter can also be adjusted. Look at how elegant and beautiful this vanity looks in dim lighting. This is an interesting option for a bathroom. The marble has a more subdued pattern, but you can choose a different type of stone depending on your project. The cabinets are made from natural wood veneer. Everything has a very neat and calm design. Take a look at these mirrors. These mirrors have hidden cabinets inside because the mirror itself is actually built into the wall. An interesting space-saving solution because at first glance it seems like it's just a mirror, but no, look, there are shelves inside and they're actually quite spacious, which is very convenient. In addition, the mirrors have lighting that turns on and off with a touch button, which is very convenient. Depending on your needs, you can turn it on or off. It's also worth adding that many of the cabinet elements have automatic lighting. That is, when you approach them, they turn on, which can also be convenient. but this feature can be adjusted or turned off. You can set it to turn on only with a physical button or a touch key. Friends, there's something I wanted to tell you once again. If you come to China in person and visit showrooms like these, even if you don't have a design project, it's very easy to get inspired just by walking through furniture showrooms, like the one we're in today, all the way to the bathroom displays. And this is a great opportunity for your projects. Our company offers a furniture tour service in China, and we literally take you by the hand, accompany you to all the factories, oversee your order, check the quality, and arrange delivery to absolutely any country. All you need to do is focus on choosing, and we will take care of everything else for you and guarantee it. At the same time, you get excellent service. Personally, what I like about this manufacturer is that here there is a range of designs from the simplest to the most original. For example, take a look at the faucet they've designed. It's like a little dish, you just turn it and the water turns on and off. But the main thing I wanted to show you here is this vanity. Here, the slab and the sink are made from a single piece of marble. I've often seen similar solutions from Chinese manufacturers, but they usually had a more distinctly Chinese design. Here it all looks very European, very neat and beautiful. Also, take a look at the interesting faucet they use. Turning it on and off is done with this rotating metal disc here. I think that's very original and interesting. The vanity is also made from natural wood veneer. There are only 2 drawers for storage here, but they're quite spacious and large. Many of our clients have started returning to classic and neoclassical styles in their design projects. And it's great that this factory has such options in its range, models like these. Because right now there's a global trend toward modern and contemporary design, and many factories are simply discontinuing their classic models. A wall-mounted vanity made of lacquered wood with classic detailing, topped with a natural marble countertop, and the composition is completed by a mirror with a classic design. Beautiful yet understated classic style that will always look elegant. I wanted to show you how carefully the factory pays attention to details and how well they make their cabinets. I open it and look. Every element is fitted as precisely as possible. Nothing is loose anywhere. Everything is neat. All joints are covered and beautifully finished. There are no chips or scratches on the wood anywhere. Everything is made as solidly and with as much quality as possible. The factory also makes these kinds of beautiful partitions. If you're interested in this, ask our managers for all the details. What makes the factory's assortment stand out is that it offers designs you simply won't find from other manufacturers. For example, I was intrigued by how the front panels made of natural veneer are crafted here. It's very original and beautiful. The artistic design uses veneer to create an abstract pattern that shimmers in the light. It's a true decorative panel for your bathroom. And here we have a rather interesting design that might appeal to women. The wall-mounted cabinet gradually transitions into a vanity table where our lovely ladies can do their makeup and get ready. For the new day, just look at how easily it all opens. You can place a poof here and, accordingly, use your favorite cosmetics. Among the interesting features here, there's this drawer that slides out with a push-open system where you can organize your lipsticks. They are securely fixed and won't fall out when you close it. Tell me, would you use a solution like this? Or do you think that this part is unnecessary and absolutely unsuitable for a bathroom? Here's another beautiful example of skillful veneer work. Just look at how this is made. Even when you touch it, you can feel all the nobility of natural wood in this drawer. And it's truly a pleasure to touch something like this every day. On top, we have a countertop made of natural marble, and it's a single slab from which the sink is cut out. Here you can also see a drawer, a wall-mounted cabinet, which can be added as an option. All these dimensions can be customized, depending on your project. A very beautiful, elegant design for those who appreciate natural wood and natural marble. The unique feature of this model is that the countertop and the fronts are made from the same marble. It gives the impression that the entire cabinet was carved from a single piece of stone. It looks especially impressive when you see it in person. Also, take a look. The mirror frame here is also made of natural marble. It's all carved out, creating a unified concept, a single model. Besides, I think it's very easy to take care of these sinks because there are no seams and everything is very simple. You just wipe it down and it's easy to keep clean. An excellent compact solution for small bathrooms. Stylistically, it easily fits into both modern and eco-style interiors. The materials used here are natural marble and natural white oak. White oak is characterized by the following properties. It is resistant to rot and deformation and handles humid climates well, so nothing will happen to it and you don't have to worry about that. Here, as we can see, a ribbed pattern is used, which is applied with a milling cutter. And the same goes for the stone. In addition, high-quality hardware is used, ensuring smooth opening and closing. Take a look at this incredible model. What a beauty. The fronts are made from natural white oak veneer. And by the way, the factory sources its raw materials directly from Italy. On top, marble is used, a marble countertop in a very beautiful, delicate shade. And all of this is adorned and unified by this beautiful insert. It's metallic. This part is acrylic and it's all backlit, which creates an incredible atmosphere. Please let us know in the comments what you think of this design. Well, as promised, we're showing you the model that the factory presented at the Milan exhibition. This model attracted a lot of interest from designers from all over the world. Take a look at how this model looks. It has relatively small dimensions. What I liked is that a very beautiful type of marble is used here, and here the sink transitions into this small countertop. And all of this is made from a single piece. There are also very convenient cabinets here. They slide out. There is one large cabinet and a small pull-out drawer where you can basically store everything you need. So, the space is small, but it's quite suitable for certain compact bathrooms. What do you think of this design? The factory also offers a wide selection of shower systems. For example, here is a shower system with a rain shower head that has 3 modes, all of which can be switched with a convenient press of these buttons. I consider such solutions to be as modern and convenient as possible. There are also many models of faucets on display which, in addition to their beautiful design, have received awards at international design competitions. Friends, if you like something original, unique, and at the same time of very high quality and at reasonable prices, then I recommend you pay close attention to this factory. They definitely won't disappoint you. And let me remind you that with our help you can purchase lighting, plumbing, furniture and everything you need for your interior at very good prices and with excellent service. Follow the link to our website, leave your requests or write to us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Our managers will calculate your project for free. And based on these numbers, you can decide whether it's beneficial for you or not. In addition, let me remind you that we have a wonderful online store where you can check out prices and our range right now and see the full power of China that we offer for your projects. This was Matvey, the director of GLOBUS. Goodbye, everyone.